Bronwyn has been making her red-hot chili nibbles and has set fire to the whole fish cafe.
Bronwyn has been making her red-hot chili nibbles and has set fire to the whole fish cafe.
Come on, everyone. Clear the area. Don't worry, Sam. I've got your back. Fireman Sam might need some backup.
Well, off you go, little brother.
Ooh, what's going on now?
Come on, you three. It'll be safer over here.
Let's get to work.
Roger that, Sam.
Is everyone okay?
I'm okay. Yes. Yes, we're okay.
Get down! Ellie, you shut off the gas and I'll put out the oil fires.
Roger that, Sam. Gas off, Sam.
Thanks, Ellie. Good work. Well, Bronwyn, the fire is out. You won't be serving fish and chips in there anytime soon, but I did manage to rescue these.
I'm sorry, Sam. I know I should have been watching the pans instead of looking in the cupboard, but I got in too much of a rush.
Rushing is often dangerous, Bronwyn, and you need to remember that safety always comes first.
I know, Sam.
At least everyone is okay.
We are.
Oh, thank you, Uncle Sam.
Red-hot chili nibble?
Ooh, don't mind if I do. I didn't get to try one earlier.
Delicious.
It's really nice.